Just got the truck back from Lou's Get Wet. Got it detailed. This sumbitch was salty. That fucking bullshit fucking snow we get, they just load the streets down all they can. I had to get it detailed. I know it's gonna get dirty again, but you got to keep up on that, on them keeping it clean. Keep that paint and that clear coat good. Nice and shiny. Lou's Get Wet, Vine Street, right by Hartwell Kroger, right next to Frank's Frame and Axle, which does excellent work also. But yeah, got that shine going on. Watch that. Anyway, if you live around Cincinnati, call Lou at Lou's Get Wet. He does a great job at detailing. Not to take away from my buddy Chris Costanzo. Used to be out in Sharonville, now out there by Route 4. I've yet to get out there to him, but he's always done it in the past on both the trucks. But this needed it really bad. It was salty. Had to clean that sumbitch, boy. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Iron Maiden. Predator. Yep. SS is clean. Once again. Not bad for 23 years old now. Then now that it's 2026, this is an 03. Same with that one. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.